In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily add a new Gmail account on your iPhone. Adding a new Gmail account on your iPhone can help you access your emails and other Google services directly on your device. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and then scroll down until you see an option called Mail. Tap on it. After that, tap Accounts. And then tap Add Account. To add your Gmail account, tap and select Google. What you want to do next is sign in to the Gmail account that you want to add. Enter the Gmail email address and tap Next. And then enter the account password or use passkey. If you use two-step verification, complete that as well. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the Allow button. Now select which services you would like to use with this. You can select Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and Notes. And then tap Save to complete the process. This is exactly how you can add a Google or Gmail account to your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.